Hey, it's John, Supply Director at Supply Partners. We're here for the second time in 3 months at TW. This time we've got 8 customers from Australia coming to check out the TW factory, and it's put simply, the easiest way to promote and get the TW story across is by bringing our customers to this amazing factory. Right now, we're in the showroom. This is where TW tell the growth story, a 34-year-old business, originally from fisheries. They developed fish farming in China and created, through the chemical process, the desire to get into the cell side and the silicon and the cell side of making the module. So they're a diversified 2-product company, 34 years in business, and they are also a global Fortune 500. And we at Supply Partners have dealt with a number of global Fortune 500s that have done business in the Australian market. But they're big diversified companies like LG, Hyundai, Sinomax Sumac Group of Sumac Phono Solar. But come in here, Liam. This is what the truth or the beauty of the TW play is. Literally from silicon. They don't mine the silicon themselves, but we do know and can trace where the silicon comes from. The anti-slavery piece has always been the strongest selling point to kick off with TW Solar. Now, what we have here is the high-grade silicon moving into the monocrystalline silicon rod, into the ingot, and then into the wafer, and then we have a range of the different cells that TW are doing. As we keep going through here, we're going into the this space, which is absolutely stunning and mind-boggling for our guests when they come here. Here's a couple. We've got Blake from Waters, Chris from Imelec and O'Brien, just hanging out in the area. But this is the interactive video space where they go and show, hey, this is the TW story. It's pretty nuts what some of these amazing, significant manufacturers out of China are presently doing in terms of creating interactive experiences for our customers and customers from other international markets. As we go into here, there's a bit of the product range. Come in here, Liam. We've got the residential range. This is the all black dual glass 440 that's coming in. And as we turn it around, the white back sheet or white grid glass, dual glass product that'll be available in the Australian market. As we move here, we're just getting to the exciting part of the tour, which is where we're going to swing left into the factory. What we have here in one building, 13 lines. Each line makes 1 gigawatt per line. It is absolutely phenomenal. It is absolutely nuts. Just in this one facility that TW built in Yancheng, we have 40 gigawatts of capacity. They built this building in 4 months. The scale is just mind-boggling, and this is so great for our Supply Partners to be able to share this with our customers. So please get in touch with your BDM, and if it's something that you would like to consider in terms of your volume module, Supply Partners choose TW because they're taking over.